Welcome friends, today we will study about CSWIP 3.1 sample question paper 5. We will come with more CSWIP 3.1 sample question papers in next videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more welding and NDT related videos and click the bell icon. You can also join us on Telegram and WhatsApp group for material, discussion, and job updates. Question 1. Generally the most suitable method of detecting lack of sidewall fusion would be, options are A. Ultrasonic testing, B. MPI, C. Radiography, D. Penetrant inspection. Our answer is A. Ultrasonic testing. Question 2. Hot shortness is a term used to indicate, options are A. Lamellar tearing, B. Solidification cracking, C. Hydrogen cracking, D. None of the above. Our answer is B. Solidification cracking. Question 3. Cobalt as an isotope would generally be used on, options are A. Thin material, B. T-joints, C. Plate thicknesses greater than 25 mm, D. All the above. Our answer is C. Plate thicknesses greater than 25 mm. Question 4. In welding procedure terms, a change in essential variable means, options are A. Re-qualification of the weld procedure, B. Possible changes in the weld's microstructure, C. Possible changes in the mechanical properties, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 5. Weld symbols placed on a dotted line in accordance with ISO requirements means, options are A. Weld on arrow side, B. Weld on other side, C. Weld on site, D. Full penetration required. Our answer is B. Weld on other side. Question 6. A welding inspector's main attributes include, options are A. Knowledge and experience, B. Literacy, C. Honesty and integrity, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 7. Technically, a code of practice is, options are A. Standard, B. A set of rules for the manufacture of a product, C. Related to welder and weld procedure approval, D. All the above. Our answer is B. A set of rules for the manufacture of a product. Question 8. The correct term for cap height is, options are A. Reinforcement, B. Cap profile height, C. Excess weld metal, D. All the above. Our answer is C. Excess weld metal. Question 9. A tensile test will assess, options are A. Impact values, B. Stress, C. Strain, D. Both B and C. Our answer is B. Stress. Question 10. The important point of high temperature steels is that, options are A. They can withstand creep failure, B. They may suffer reheat cracking problems, C. They may suffer loss of toughness, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 11. An austenitic stainless steel may suffer, options are A. Weld decay, B. Sensitisation, C. Solidification cracking, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 12. carbon equivalent values are useful to determine? Options are: A. Weldability aspects, B. Crack sensitivity aspects, C. Typical mechanical properties, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 13. A basic electrode would normally, options are: A. Have superior mechanical properties, B. Require baking before use, C. Not be used on low carbon steels, D. Both A and B. Our answer is D. Both A and B. Question 14. When referring to TIG welding, the shielding gas could be, options are: A. Argon and hydrogen, B. Argon and helium, C. Argon and nitrogen, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 15. When referring to MIG welding, the shielding gas would be, options are: A. Argon, B. Argon plus 1% oxygen, C. Argon plus 20% carbon dioxide, D. None of the above. Our answer is A. Argon. Question 16. Submerged arc utilizes, options are: A. Deep penetration characteristic, B. High deposition rates on DC+, C. Flat, PA, welding only, D. None of the above. Our answer is A. Deep penetration characteristic. Question 17. Ultrasonics would be preferred over radiography due to, options are: A. Ability to find most defects, B. Lower skill requirement, C. Ability to detect laminations, D. Both A and C. Our answer is D. Both A and C. Question 18. The most serious defect types are, options are: A. Planar, B. Cracks, C. Lack of fusion, D. All the above. Our answer is D. All the above. Question 19. MMA welding of low alloy steels is more likely to be performed with, options are: A. Rutile electrodes, B. Cellulosic electrodes, C. Iron powder electrodes, D. Basic hydrogen controlled electrodes. Our answer is D. Basic hydrogen controlled electrodes. Question 20. Which of the following defects is more common to welds deposited by CO2 welding than welds deposited by MMA? Options are: A. Slag inclusions, B. Excess penetration, C. Lack of sidewall fusion, D. Tungsten inclusions. Our answer is C. Lack of sidewall fusion. Question 21. Which defect would you expect to get in TIG welds in non-deoxidized steel? Options are: A. Undercut, B. Porosity, C. Tungsten inclusions, D. Linear misalignment. Our answer is B. Porosity. Question 22. Which of the following can arise from copper inclusions in a ferritic steel weld? Options are: A. Weld metal cracks, B. Has cracks, C. Lamellar tearing, D. Porosity. Our answer is A. Weld metal cracks. Question 23. Which of the following is likely to give the highest impact strength in ferritic weld metal? Options are: A. Cellulosic electrodes, B. Submerged arc with acid flux, C. Spray transfer CO2 welding, D. Basic coated MMA electrodes. Our answer is B. Submerged arc with acid flux. Question 24. You suspect that ferritic steel plates contain cracks in the prepared edges. What NDT method would you use to check this? Options are A. Radiography, B. Magnetic particle inspection, C. Penetrant inspection, D. Ultrasonic flaw detection. Our answer is B. Magnetic particle inspection. Question 25. Which of the following defects would you not expect to find by visual inspection of welds? Options are A. Linear slag inclusions, B. Undercut, C. Overlap, D. Linear misalignment. Our answer is A. Linear slag inclusions. Question 26. Stress relieving is not helpful in which of the following cases? Options are A. Improving resistance to stress corrosion cracking, B. Improving dimensional stability after machining, C. Lowering the peak residual stress, D. Softening the steel. Our answer is B. Improving dimensional stability after machining. Question 27. What is the maximum hardness usually recommended for the heat-affected zone of a medium-strength ferritic steel weld? Options are A. 100 dphv, B. 350 dphv, C. 500 dphv, D. 750 dphv. Our answer is B. 350 dphv. Question 28. What effect does mid-thickness laminations in steel plate normally have when they are located within a weld heat-affected zone? Options are A. Cause lamellar tearing, B. Fuse together to form a bond, C. Affect the weld metal composition, D. Cause internal tearing on a micro scale. Our answer is A. Cause lamellar tearing. Question 29. The permanent backing material for MMA welding of low-carbon steel should be made from. Options are A. Copper, B. Low-carbon steel, C. QT steel, D. Cast iron. Our answer is B. Low-carbon steel. Question 30. The overall length of a pipeline can be affected by. Options are A. Transverse shrinkage, B. Longitudinal shrinkage, C. Angular shrinkage, D. Circumferential shrinkage. Our answer is B. Longitudinal shrinkage.